0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoy today's video. Hey YouTube family, it's Kaysa from Totally Designs, and I wanted to do a special shout out. The person I'm going to shout out today does not know I am going to give her a shout out. She doesn't even know I'm doing the video. She didn't ask me to do the video. She basically just sent me something and she wanted to share her giftings with me and share a present with me, and I'm so glad that she did. And I want to say thank you. Thank you, Miss Marcia, for sending me those beautiful items that you sent me today. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what she sent to me. Listen, she sent these beautiful earrings right here, y'all. She told me, she said, hey, when you get the items, you're gonna know that I have been listening to you. I'm listening to everything that you say, and I literally hear it. Not just listen to it, but I'm hearing you. And as you guys know, if you have followed me for any length of time, you guys know I love me a good old-fashioned cup of coffee, or a cup of joe, whatever you guys want to call it. But you guys know I love me some coffee, and I talk about it quite often in my videos. So what she did was she made me some earrings that say need coffee. Aren't these incredible? Let me tell you a little bit about these earrings really quickly. She painted them with a pink color, and then she used a sticker and then did a lamination on top of the sticker, which is resin. Then on top of that, she embellished it with these beautiful rhinestones, as you guys can see here, and then she has a fuchsia bead at the top of it. Now guys, you guys already know I talked to you guys about taking anything and designing it and making it into your own. I will wear these simply because I love what it says. These are gorgeous, okay? And I will take a picture once I put them in my ear and wear them. Yes, I will. Thank you, Marcia. These are absolutely beautiful, okay? Beautiful. And I want to also show you the lounging pants that she sent to me. And guess what it says? It says coffee vibes, coffee vibes. I want to just show you this. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see it a little bit. But guys, listen, I am going to enjoy wearing these lounging pants while I am drinking my coffee, and I'm not going to show you a picture of that. I'm just not going to do that. But I wanted to give her a special acknowledgement, just simply thanking her for her kindness. She didn't have to do it, and I'm really blessed to have her a part of my channel, and I'm really blessed to have you all a part of my channel. I want to say thank you for all of your participation, for your commentary, for showing up on my lives. Thank you so very much. Listen, your support is invaluable, and I don't want anybody to ever think that I do not take your support seriously. I do not undervalue it or underrate it, because you don't have to. And when I'm saying to you guys, I'm sincerely letting you guys know that I appreciate everything. You guys have followed me through my journey. You guys are still following me on my journey. So thank you. And I want to say to all of you, as I always say in every video, at the end, happy beading. And until the next video,